Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can log into TikTok website using QR code from TikTok app. So basically here, you just need to open your Google Chrome or any internet browser you often use. And on the search box right there at the top, basically type here tiktok.com. So we're going to go to this homepage. And from here, as you can see, it will automatically open up the login box. So what we're going to do is basically click on the use QR code option. So right there at the top of this box. So once you click on use QR code, it will show you now this QR code. So basically scan with your mobile device camera and then confirm login or sign up. So what we're going to do, let's open up our mobile phone. So let's open the TikTok app. So basically right here. And then here on the home page, we're going to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now here on your profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner. And here tap on my QR code. So basically here you'll find your own QR code, but we're going to tap on the icon right there at the top right hand corner to basically scan the QR code on your computer. Now once you scan the QR code, as you can see here on your mobile phone, so saying confirm login on TikTok for desktop. So we're going to tap on the confirm button at the bottom of your screen. Now going back to your PC, as you can see here, QR code is scanned. So yeah, that's it. That's how you basically log in to TikTok website using QR code from TikTok app. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.